Hello and welcome. This is a little village called Everley, and we're going to see if we can find the Kate Bush Wuthering Heights location. This time from this end. It's lovely out here. Must be about 30 degrees Celsius. I saw someone on YouTube who filmed this bit already, how you can get there, because it's a bit of a further trek to get up here, and I'm not doing it a second time. We've driven up here, so we couldn't get through from the southern end because the flags are up. Wow, let's have a look at this. Look at this field. I drove past this hill and I wanted to stop and have a look, but I couldn't, but I can now on a bike. It's beautiful. Look at that hill. It's lovely out here. Very windy though. There's a sign saying there's helicopters flying for 3 miles, so definitely no drone flying around here. Oh, what's that sound? It's a motorbike. I can hear a motorbike sound. It's well over there. When we hit the junction, we want to head right. It's about, I don't know, 2 to 4 miles from this side to get there. I could park down there, but I wasn't sure, so we found a little quiet spot back there. This road's fairly busy. Fairly busy because it doesn't go anywhere, I don't think. Oh, it goes to Haxton. That's where the horses are. Look at that. It's like horse racing barriers. Oh, wow, this is beautiful. Let's get off the side. Beautiful, especially this side. That's the motorbike. It's down there somewhere. How fast can this thing go? About 10 miles an hour. Rubbish to what I'm used to. Oh, there's the motorbike over there. What's he doing? Just going round and round? I don't know. Right, here's the junction. Here we are. This is beautiful out here. It really is. Right, I think we've got to go up there. Do I see any red flags flying? I don't see any red flags, so I think it's okay. It's like a manoeuvring area for tanks. I could have parked here actually. I didn't know. Warning to the public. Again, don't touch anything on the ground. This is beautiful. It's like a desert out here. Byway to Bulford and Old Marlborough Road. Oh, we would have come out from there. There's someone actually sitting in that van. Oh, you can have great fun out here on a motorbike. I don't see any flags flying. Oh, he hasn't stopped me. Oh, it's beautiful out here. Shame I live a little bit too far away to come out here on a regular basis. Wow. This is amazing. Let's have a look at this valley. Don't see any tanks. I've got I think I've got 3 spare inner tubes. I've got a bunch of tools just in case I break down. And you're definitely going to need to know how to fix your own bike out here. I go nice and slow, only because there's like puncture heaven here. Got my tyres at extra pressure, I think they're about 60 psi. So I need to stop a puncture. And we're not going that far anyway. Where is Badens Clump? It must be that thing up ahead. Whoa, I can see something in the air. It's like a helicopter. Or a drone even. Just above Badens Clump. Oh, that would be weird. I can't see it now, it's like hidden when it turned around. Let's just having a look. That's a big hill. I reckon we had to climb that. This is beautiful. This is amazing. There's like a house over there. Let's keep going. We've got a drink as well. Definitely going to get dehydrated out here. There's a sign here. It says restricted byway. Permissive byway. This is a permissive byway. Sudden noise, you may be stopped or diverted to give way to military vehicles. Oh cool, that means I can go along here. This is so cool. If I win the lottery, I'll have to come and live out here. I'll be out on my bike on there all the time. I don't see anybody for miles. What is the matter with the world? They just don't know what to do with themselves. Whoa, look at this. Oh, this is a bit of a descent. Are you telling me Kate Bush travelled all the way out here 40 years ago? How'd she do it? You can't drive a car along here, I don't think. A bit quicker going. There's no big gravel. The bigger the gravel, the slower you gotta go. Now, looking on the footage on YouTube, there's some buildings which have been put in there after the filming of Wuthering Heights. It'll be interesting to see if they're going to still be there, but you know, what are they? Are they some sort of, I don't know, storage area? Oh, we've still got miles to go. It'll feel like miles because it's so bumpy. I'm not going to turn left or right. Oh, it's tempting to do it, but maps.me doesn't show the roads on here, and I want to minimise the amount of gravel riding. Go up that way, or you can go that way. How are we doing for battery? 2/3. I've got a spare one in my bag in the back, in my backpack. Oh, gravel bike riding! Everyone buys a gravel bike, but I don't see anybody else out here. Maybe it is too hot to ride a bike. Come on, e-bike. This is the biggest hill you're going to climb today. Come on! Come on! Let's take a look over here. This is beautiful. Oh, I can hear a helicopter. Oh wow, I can see it. It's really low. Can you imagine them landing out here and just say, "What are you doing out here?" Here we are, Kate Bush. Do you reckon Kate Bush comes back out here every now and again? It's the song that made her career. It was the song that put her on the map. There's even some toilets. What the hell? It's probably a souvenir shop. Probably a Kate Bush souvenir shop. Here we are. Let's check out the toilets. Number 2. You could do a number 2. Well, there are toilets out here. Can you imagine that? Do not dispose of ammunition or pyrotechnics in the toilet. Hand it in the amnesty box. Well, I didn't expect to see that. That is f***ing amazing. I wonder if I find an AK-47 out here. What is in there then? It's probably just like storage for like ropes and things. Oh, this is where they practice ambushes, I guess. Let's just have a look over here. Wow, this is so cool. Beautiful. Yeah, definitely check out the, you know, safety bit aspect. There's flags flying or red lights, don't come in here. I think this is where the YouTuber guy filmed his video here. It's all muddy, but you can see the trees there. I'm not going to be able to find exactly where she stood. Oh, it says danger, deep well, keep clear. There's a bottomless pit down there. Let's check out this side. Woo. You can see tank tracks. Yeah, this is where she was. I'm not going to be able to find exactly where she stood. It's probably here. You couldn't remake the video now. They put these buildings here. Yeah, these are definitely tank tracks. Whew. Let's go up here. Can you hear that? What's that? The power of the Brompton. It's my own conversion. Wow, look at this. This is beautiful. I took a gamble whether or not to come out today. If I didn't, I'd take a risk of coming out again and it'd be all drenched. Oh, wow. Who needs a drone? Look at this. This is awesome. Wow. We have struck gold. We must be facing east. The sun sets, well no, facing west. Sun rises in the east, sets in the west. Well, I'll probably end the video here. So thanks for joining us. I hope you enjoyed that one, and we'll see you next time. I think this is where Kate Bush stood. Yes, I remember the trees. Yeah, it must be about here, before all the tanks made these big ruts. Here it is. That is awesome. I did what I came out to achieve. It's going to be about an hour to drive back now in the traffic anyway. It's really dusty. Let's go. Right, what we'll do is get back to where the that like big area, turning area, and we'll catch you there. This is probably going to be bonus footage. Maybe I will ride up the road to Haxton. Shouldn't take that long. Wow, look at this place. This is amazing. Looking from this side, beautiful. I think this must, I don't know which direction I'm looking in. This is amazing. Oh, I can see the helicopter. It's just straight ahead. It's just going round and round. We report a cyclist in an illegal area near Badens Clump. It looks like he's looking for somebody, but I think it's just practicing. It's got to be. It's just training. Helicopter's coming around again. I'll give it a wave, see what it does. Wow, look at that! They're coming to land? I hope not. Don't land because of me. I see that off-road motorbike over there. Scrambler. Right, we're gonna get our bearings.